I've got this lock today from Satan of the DBC Lockpick forum, or Locksmith forum I should say. Very much appreciated. I've made my wrench, I've done it a little bit longer so that it keeps my hands out the way of what's happening. I've never done one of these before. This is a 3 lever. So as I say, there's a first for everything. Let's see how we get on. In this case I'll try it and see. Now one thing I did notice, I did open it up to have a look how everything worked in it, and something fell out. I don't know how that will affect opening of this thing, if it will open. I'm sure it will. Can't feel anything. Maybe too much pressure. Ease back a bit and see. I've lost it, so that's not much cop, is it? Have another go. See if we can get it, because oh, lovely, I've done it. There you go. Just goes to show, doesn't it? But I made these a little bit longer so that give a clear view of the lock. Now, when I opened it up, which I'm going to do now, just to see how it worked, something popped out. So I didn't know if I would be able to open it or not, but very happy I have been able to. Now, this is what pops out of it. I don't know if you can see that, but it's one of these little wires which fit onto the levers. Now, which one it is, I'm not sure. Okay. That one off. That's okay. That's the one. So that obviously belongs in there, and it's snapped completely off. And that was just lying inside, so didn't stop me opening it, which I'm very pleased about, and that must be a spacer. And that's the thing. Now I made this pick with the bite spoke, but I left the little tab on because when you put it into the lock, it fits perfectly into that keyway. Couldn't be better. There you go.